All right, that is hands down, that's hands down the most common thing we see happen. People come to stop and they put their foot down and the bike follows. I'm going to show you how to get it up when your bike does fall over and it's fairly flat. Don't lift this thing up, right? What I tell people is it's like doing an overhead press with a deadlift and a squat combo, okay? You want to use the largest muscles on your body, which are not your pinky fingers. Just kidding. Not your biceps, it's your freaking quads, right? Your butts, your glutes, your quad. So what I like to do is I like to get the bike up to a point where I can lift it up with my whole body, my chest and my legs. So it's dug in pretty good because of this snow, so it's gonna be a little tricky. So what I'll do is I'll get my hand under it, I'll get my whole body, and I'll use my legs, and I'll push the whole thing like that. See how I'm using my whole body? I'm not using any arms. I literally just lifted that up with all legs. That easy. Like, yeah, it's not cakewalk, but it's a lot easier than bending over and trying to lift the bike up. So I just push against the bike with my body, my chest, get it. Is, you know, sometimes you have to lift it up just a little bit and just walk it up. Hands down, that is the easiest way to lift up your bike by yourself from flat ground. A couple things to be aware of: burning yourself on your header pipe or melting your pants. Also hitting the start button. Sometimes you'll hit the start button and the track will kick. So just be aware of those things as you're lifting up your bike from a flat surface.